Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update. First off, I want to say a big congratulations to our Brock Elementary UIL participants as they did a fabulous job of representing Brock Elementary and Brock Intermediate. Second graders through fifth graders competed in an array of events and just did a fabulous job of representing our school when they were there. And so congratulations and thank you to all the work that you as parents put in and all the work that our kids put in. And we look forward to continuing to grow our UIL academic program. It's really a fun thing for us. So finally, phase one of the playground is open, and what an awesome day that was when our kids got to go out and enjoy the sun and our first phase of the playground. And we're hoping that the next big part of the playground will be open here pretty soon, and our kids will just get to enjoy that whole beautiful space out there. So we're very excited about that, as I'm sure y'all are as well. A couple upcoming events that we have going on. We had second graders going on a field trip today, and we had to make some adjustments to that just due to weather and a couple other things, but we were able to do that. Kindergarten has a field trip on Thursday, and starting next week, we have our buy one, get one free book fair, which is always great right before Christmas to possibly pick up some things. And you can see that we have some other events coming up, so just check that out. I know your grade levels should be sending out newsletters regularly that have these dates on them. If you have questions about any of it, please feel free to reach out to us. Something else that we have coming up is our first grade Christmas program is Monday, December 17th, and so time will be 6 p.m. And those of you that have first grade kiddos will be getting more information about that soon. As always, we have Fly Friday and Hat Day this Friday, and that dollar that the kids bring for Hat Day will go towards our campus technology fund to purchase devices and other things that the teachers are wanting to give your kids access to. Wednesdays, we wear green right now. We're wearing green for responsibility. We're talking a lot to our kiddos during Fly Friday and during the daily announcements about responsibility and what our responsibilities are, even when we're in pre-K or kindergarten. What things can we do to be responsible, and how can that help us in our everyday lives? As always, I hope that you guys have had a great week, or that you are going to have a great week. If you have any questions, concerns, or anything like that, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. And thank you for sharing your kids with us. Have a great one. Go Eagles.